India, a land of vibrant colors and diverse landscapes, faces a silent crisis: desertification. This phenomenon, where fertile land degrades and transforms into desert-like conditions, is a growing threat to the nation's environment and its people. Imagine vast stretches of once productive fields turned barren, their soil losing its ability to support life. This is the stark reality of desertification. Its consequences are far-reaching, impacting food security, water resources, and the livelihoods of millions. India is particularly vulnerable to desertification. A combination of factors, including its arid and semi-arid climate, population pressure, and unsustainable land management practices, has accelerated the process. According to the Indian Space Research Organization, nearly 30% of India's land area is undergoing desertification. This means that a significant portion of the country's land is at risk of losing its productivity, threatening the livelihoods of millions who depend on agriculture. While climate change plays a role in desertification, human activities are often the primary drivers. Deforestation, driven by the demand for timber and fuel wood, strips the land of its protective cover, leaving the soil vulnerable to erosion. Overgrazing, a consequence of increasing livestock populations, further degrades the land as animals strip vegetation and compact the soil. Unsustainable agricultural practices such as excessive tillage and monoculture farming deplete soil nutrients and reduce its water-holding capacity, making it more susceptible to erosion. In India, where agriculture is a lifeline for millions, these unsustainable practices have taken a heavy toll. The pressure to produce more food to feed a growing population has often come at the expense of the environment. The overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, while intended to boost yields, has polluted water sources and degraded soil health, further exacerbating desertification. Desertification's consequences are dire, impacting not only the environment but also the lives and livelihoods of millions. As land degrades and loses its productivity, crop yields decline, leading to food shortages and economic hardship, particularly in rural communities. Water scarcity intensifies as desertification reduces the land's capacity to absorb and retain water, leading to droughts and conflicts over dwindling resources. Desertification also fuels climate change. As vegetation disappears, the land loses its ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming. The dust storms that result from desertification can travel vast distances, impacting air quality and human health. The social and economic costs of desertification are immense, leading to poverty, displacement, and conflict. Section 4. Green Shoots of Hope. Combating desertification. Despite the scale of the challenge, there is hope. India has recognized the urgency of combating desertification and has implemented several initiatives to address this growing threat. One such initiative is the National Afforestation Program, which aims to restore degraded forests and increase forest cover. The program promotes community participation in afforestation efforts, recognizing the importance of local knowledge and ownership in sustainable land management. Another key initiative is the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchayi Yojana, or PMKSY, which aims to improve water use efficiency in agriculture. The program promotes micro-irrigation techniques like drip and sprinkler irrigation, which deliver water directly to plant roots, reducing water wastage and improving crop yields. PMKSY also encourages rainwater harvesting and watershed management, promoting sustainable water conservation practices. Section 5. A race against time. Combating desertification is a race against time, a race that India cannot afford to lose. It requires a multi-pronged approach involving government policies, technological innovations, and most importantly, a change in mindset. Farmers need to be educated on sustainable land management practices, and incentives need to be provided to encourage their adoption. Desertification is not an insurmountable challenge. By embracing sustainable land management practices, investing in technological solutions, and fostering community participation, India can reclaim its degraded lands and secure a sustainable future for generations to come. The time to act is now. The future of India's land, its people, and its environment depends on it.